Yeah, almost time for me to go. Thank you very much. And for tonight, though, it's truly time for me to say goodbye. Thank you for spending this wonderful Sunday with me. Thank you for your company, your greetings, your requests, your dedications, and for simply being here. All right? And have a peaceful Sunday night, everyone. Rest well. Take care of yourselves. And I hope tomorrow brings you a wonderful start to a brand new week. All right? So this has been your DJ, Ronald MC, saying thank you very much. And to God be the glory and praise forever and ever. Amen. God bless everyone. Big thanks to you.
101.5 Big Sound is DWWG-FM of Vanguard Radio Network. Member KBP.
Aming Panginoong Diyos, salamat po sa patuloy niyong pagmamahal sa bansang Pilipinas. Dalangin namin ang tunay na kalayaan, kapayapaan at kasagalaang galing lamang sa inyong mga kamay. Ikaw po, Panginoon, ang maghari sa bawat buhay at tahanang Pilipino. Makita nawa namin ang iyong layunin sa aming buhay, nang kami ay mamuhay ng may pag-asa at maging instrumento sa tunay na pag-unlad ng aming bayan. Ito po ang aming dalangin sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.